Today I'm going to fix a pedal of a 100-year-old grand piano. I find out that some parts inside the pedal has been falling apart. So I'm going to use little things to fix the problems with a tape, electronic screwdriver, some wood glue, and some little wood sticks. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. I'm going to mark the pedals when I take it apart so I know where to put them again, like left and right. It's in Icelandic vinstri og hægri. So the problem inside the pedals, you can see it now, is that one part had fallen apart away from the pedal for the right pedal. So that was not working well. I'm going to tie it together again and it's going to work after that. Tightening the bolts. I'm going to use some glue. And wood stick I put into the hole. And then I put the bolt inside and it's more better tied together and it's holding better. I screwed it back together. It was a little loose before, but now it's gonna be better after this. Here. 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 And I was just putting this here into this to to the right position here. Take this off. Take it off. Here I see that everything is working very well. I fixed the problem. Next I have to just put it under the grand piano and hope that the owner will be very happy about this repairing. It's like new. If you enjoy this video, subscribe for more videos like this. This is what I have been working on.